Hello, umunnam. I greet you, all hail Biafra, all hail IPOB. I greet Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, our great leader, the leader of all leaders. Why I'm making this speech this night? Anywhere you are, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. This speech is for our Southeast leaders. Ishadi these people. Araraba. Our Southeast leaders, Ishime Bishara. How is stupid? We are talking about Biafra. Akwanda wasa mgbe Obama na-abịa ya, even before Goodluck for all the governors nọ na north vure billions in Nigeria vure ego ha some of the money ha lezote gavie nwunye Clinton to lobby ngoge wa abe ka ha nọrọ kwa America support ka ha na-achị our governors anyị unu azọfụkwado njem your word that you people should boycott every our senator go and check the history of India. When India want to get their freedom, they boycott to buy everything from British. Everything British is bringing into India. India boycotted it. They don't do anything with British. You a senator, your interest of your people. Your interest of your people doesn't want to follow it. They don't want to pass your bill. What is your job? Is it not to boycott it? When all these Eastern senators didn't go there and high chamber and sit, didn't you know that something will happen? All of you, because you don't want to boycott it because of your fucking interest. Our senators, onye kpatara aka Europe mpalicha elume egwuolala unlile politician ma Peter Obi onye obula sofele tesotara you former governor. Hey, history will not forget this python dance. Any of the governors also go chicha your 8 years enwete Europe elara unu chokwu dogedini. You people should go and sit with Nnamdi Kanu. And again, you either abound herdsmen, any herdsman who is moving with a gun. You people are stupid. The governors are stupid. Make a law as Benue. And you, since in the north they can have Sharia police. Sharia police, is it Nigerian police? Since they can make that law and pass that law in their state and the federal government empower them, they have their own Sharia police. This is a time you can move that motion to your House of State House, pass the bill, and move Biafran police too to secure, or vigilante to secure your forest. A policeman, a military man cannot come from north and secure your land. He doesn't know the forest. This Southeast governor, you people are who now dance to tune in the Fulani. I got kunu gogo. See, everybody kunu here Europe. This is step by step. Before I'm everybody me attack na Nigeria secretly because of one of the tired of these Southeast governors. Ile were okay, ngwa watch him in Nigeria that the police jide a kidnapper. Ndami, because of that kidnapper is working with the military. Ndami agababuse those police. Now, ile were power. Nye police wonye Fulani kobe ochwari umunni alimo ya or the possible. Why can't you knock a law as a Rikiti state? Benue stand and all their people stand with the Governor Autumn. You think that if you make this law, we cannot back you people. We will support you. If Nigeria don't want, you people should come to UN and make a speech. You people should go to America. America is now, Nigeria is the enemy of America now. unu ga na laajụ akpa amụ unu oyi Chineke kpọchapụ unu ọkụ dị ya ile eme meeting if you that meeting enwe anything ahụ anything any reason in that enwe any conclusion there because of you when you inform the military, inform the police, you now go back and draw your own, you go your own you go back and go to your own drawing board and have vigilante to secure the forest. That vigilante, you arm them with the pump passion. Somebody having AK-47 and having pump passion, there is no any difference. I know the street. I know. Before he will kill 3 people, I will shut him down. Yeah, you come and make speech for us to love you. We hate you people. History will not. We will not forget this. The governors who is in those seats when Python does is Bazo Omahe. All your governor, you people connive to bring Python dance. You see these Fulani people killing our women, raping women in the forest. Your children will pay blood. Rule and go out. You think you can be going with the police. One day, the people will overpower your police. Modo didn't come to Spain. What happened to him? If it's not Spanish police, is trying to secure the smuggling him out from Spanish and for him to travel back. Modo will supposed to get his own beating. Any day, ngari jamambe. Any day ngari jamambe Europe get more like Spain, more like Germany, more like France, more like anywhere. Jam unu ni lecture ma former even my Peter Obi draw aga for mweti with Europe nko henge ko ya European government say ko unu here. Ebu na magi here. Ile me meeting. That's guy no shunu me meeting. Meeting how ke the solution there. Ime meeting where power nyefe kwa na ami na aka. Yes, nyefe ha. Now what you need to know to have your vigilante, they will work with the police, work with the military. Now this vigilante will go to the rural villages and they know the forest. This is a part of creating job. You will see that this killing will die down. And you are telling the police people moving in the forest. Nigerian police go to the forest. Nigerian military doesn't go to forest. They only in the street taking money from people. The governors, let me just tell you, after you rule, you have only 4 years. 2023, you have already come down. Just know this one. We will not forgive you people unless you people will come and do the right thing. You are doing meeting. Your meeting is nonsense without vigilante. Your meeting is nonsense. How do you give power? How do you tell our enemies to secure our forest again? Our enemies in the forest and Fulani police is securing us again. They will connect and kill all the women in the forest and in the farm. You Southeast governors, You Southeast governors, God, you just step by step. It's growing. Everybody's angry. Let me just tell you, stupid governors, stupid elders, stupid hopeless elder.